welcome back to the Lazy Girl's Kitchen. If you are new, I'm Maggie and welcome. Today I'm gonna share with you how to make like a veggie baked fish. It's got leeks and just full of deliciousness and flavor, and I'm so excited to share it with you. It is baked, so it's really healthy and delicious, so I'm so excited to share it with you. I hope you guys enjoy the recipe. If you like it, make sure that you give us a big thumbs up to show us some love, and if you have not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Wish that I could stay in this moment forever, so I can hold you in my arms. I will carry you on my shoulders as long as I'm able. Scare the monsters under your bed, deep and abiding. Liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you. You will grow up in the blink of an eye and move out and beyond your own. But no matter what comes your way, I will stay right here beside you to catch you if you fall. And deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you. Deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do